Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here, and just thought I'd do a video. I just got fiber optic installed. I think that's what they call it, the Wi-Fi thing. Yesterday, and it's actually free in New Zealand. Doesn't cost you anything for them to do it. And I was wondering if it'll be any faster. Just uploaded a video to YouTube. That's 200 megabytes, I think it was. And it took like 2 minutes. Normally I'd say it would take like 20-30 minutes beforehand, so it's definitely a lot faster for that. Watching videos and stuff, I haven't noticed it. Watching videos and stuff, I haven't really noticed increase in speed, but like loading time seems to be about the same. But for uploading, definitely a lot faster, 10 times faster, so pretty chuffed about that. But yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Thanks for watching, I guess.